Welcome to Smart School, your favorite school. Today we are going to see adverbs. So let's begin. The words which describe the extra features of verb are called adverb. I'm repeating. The word which describe the extra features of a verb are called adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies a verb. Let's see some examples. He writes quickly. He runs fast. Tortoise walks slowly. So in this sentence, writes, runs, walks are verb, and quickly, fast, slowly are adverb. So these words are giving some more information about verb. These words are called adverb. Let's see some more about types of adverbs. So there are 5 types of adverbs. First, adverbs of time. Second, adverbs of frequency. Third, adverbs of place. Fourth, adverbs of degree. 5, adverbs of manner. So let's see all types in detail. First one, the adverbs of time. The word itself saying that it's related to time. So the word adverbs know the time of that verb is called adverb of time. Means which adverb is describe the time of that verb is called the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time mainly modify verbs. Let's see some example. Vishal met me yesterday. Let's see some examples. Vishal met me yesterday. We play in the evening. Vedanti goes to school in the morning. So in this sentence, yesterday, evening, morning are showing the timing when that action is happened or happening. So these type of words are called adverbs, and that describing the time, that's why they are adverbs of time. To find the adverbs of time, we have to ask the question to the nouns, that is when. When it is happened, then we get that answer. That word would be adverbs of time. So that is when did Vishal met. Suppose we have taken that examples. First one, Vishal met me yesterday. So I ask the questions, when did Vishal met me? So we get answer yesterday. So yesterday is the adverbs of time of that verb. And let's see second one, adverbs of frequency. Frequency means the words adverbs know the how often the verb occurs is called adverbs of frequency. Means how many times that action is happened in that sentence. That type of word is called adverbs of frequency. This frequency is made by definite or indefinite. Let's see some example. So Rakesh always goes fast. We really go to the trip. Temple is open every day. Newspapers are printed daily. In these sentences, always and really are indefinite frequency, and in every day and daily are definite frequency. Ask the next question to the noun, that how often. Suppose we have taken first example, Rakesh always goes fast, and if we ask the question how often Rakesh go fast, then we get the answer always. That's why always is an adverb of frequency. Okay, let's see the third one, that are adverbs of place. The word adverbs know the location of the verb where it happened is called adverbs of place. Means that action is happened at where or which place. That describing words is called adverbs of place. Let's see the examples, we will get more idea. The first one is we play outside. Tanmay is sitting on the chair. Bhavi teaches at home. And Harshali went inside. So in these sentences, outside, chair, home, inside, these are the adverbs of places because they are describing the where that action is happened. Okay. So ask the question to the noun, that is where. Suppose we take again that first examples, we play outside and we ask the question where did we play, then we get the answer outside. That's why the outside or this type of words is called adverbs of place. Let's see next type, that is adverbs of degree. So see the definition of the adverbs: know the result, number or proof an action of the verb is called adverbs of degree. It knows the result or number or proof of an action. Let's say the example: Harsh eats the little more. Harshal does not get enough sleep. Ashish talks too much. So in these sentences, little, enough and too, these are the adverbs of degree. Ask the question to the noun, that is how much, then we get the answer. That word would be adverbs of degree. So let's first example, that Harsh eats a little more, and we ask the question how much does Harsh eat, then we get the answer little. So little is adverbs of degree. Let's see the fifth example, fifth type, that is adverbs of manner. The word adverbs let us know the always in which the verb occurs is called adverbs of manner. The word adverbs let us know the ways in which the verb occurs, means how that action is happened. That word is called adverbs of manners. Let's see the example: Akash eats quickly. Neil studies well. Swara writes carefully. So in these sentences, quickly, well, carefully, these are the adverbs of manners because these words are describing how that action is happened. So again, ask the question to the noun, that how. We take first example, Akash eats quickly, and if we ask the question that how does Akash eats, then we get the answer quickly. That's why the quickly is the adverbs of manner. Okay, thank you. So this way we have learned what is adverb and what are the types of adverb and how we can find out that with asking some questions. Then we will easily understand what type of these adverbs and which word is called adverbs. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and share with your friends, and also subscribe our channel for more such videos. We will bring you this type of educational videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. And also visit our websites and Android channels and see other videos, which the link is given in the description. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.